Hi everyone, Manuela Marcheggiani from Isomers Skincare. Today we're going to talk a little bit about winter skincare, or my favorite skincare for the winter transitional season when it's a little bit colder and drier out there. There are different things that I really consider for my skin and for my skincare, and I thought from a cosmetic chemist perspective it would be really great to share that information. So one of my favorites is the Accelerated Recovery Serum, and the reason why I like this product, or this type of product, this is a product that actually works on rehydrating the skin intensively. It's considered a boot camp. So you're going to use it for a very short period of time, usually 14 nights or under 1 month. You're going to use it every single day, and what's really great about it is it kind of wakes up the memory of the skin. So when you think about the winter and their skin does get drier and a little bit more sluggish, it's really good to activate that tightening and firming. It contains lipochromin 6, which is a very interesting antioxidant. I love this antioxidant because of what it does in the prevention of lines and wrinkles and damage. So it's almost like a future boot camp while rehydrating. So winter is a really, really good time for this type of formulation. My next favorite, and I'm going to talk my other serum that I really, really like for the winter time or transitional time, is our vitamin C and Ferulic. And the reason why I like this so much is because the vitamin C and Ferulic, this is an ethylated vitamin C. Not all vitamin Cs are formulated the same. Because this is ethylated, it's going to feel a little bit oilier on your skin. And why I like this, especially for winter time, is you're going to really help support that barrier function of the skin. So it's not just going to be a lightweight serum that's volatile or just water-based, right? Or gel-based. This is going to be something that's a little bit slipperier. It's going to have better play time, and it's going to have a bit more occlusion and comfort. So you're going to be able to get, and this is why I like it because it feels richer. It feels more hydrating. It really helps to seal in moisture a little bit better, which I find very important, you know, especially in that winter season. So that's a really good serum to consider when you're using your vitamin C's or your antioxidants. I like one that's a little bit richer and that's in the sense of ethylated in the wintertime. Moisturizer wise or cream wise, I look at the creams in a different way. I have two favorites. One is the TriActive MicroBiome. And the reason why I like the TriActive MicroBiome or the MicroBiome formulation is because MicroBiome is based on 3 types of biotics. So there's a prebiotic, a probiotic, and a postbiotic. Basically, this is food for the bacteria on your skin. Now, why is this important, and what does it have to do with winter skin? When the bacteria on your skin is in balance, so when your good bacteria and your bad bacteria are in balance and they're being fed properly, so the skin's not stripped, it's not dry, it's not irritated, you're not playing with the pH, right? When those things are in harmony, that means your microbiome, the living layer of your skin, is in harmony. And when that happens, the microbiome is its own environment, it's its own world, and it actually creates things that support the skin barrier. So when you bear with me, if you can feed the good and bad bacteria and really take care of that and kind of nurture that living layer of your skin, then your skin is going to naturally create more ceramides. It's going to retain moisture better. It's going to reduce, you know, the transepidermal water loss will be reduced. The barrier function will be supported. They will have good quality lipids on the surface. This is why it's really important, I believe, to have the TriActive MicroBiome. That's one of my winter favorites. And that's really good one too, because if you tend to have like very oily skin, you may want to shy away from, I don't want to wear a heavy product, it feels really weird or it's too heavy. But think about something different. Think about the environment of your living layer and helping to support your skin create more ceramides, more of those sphingolipids, reduce transepidermal water loss, increase the good content of the fatty acids on your skin. The next winter favorite has to be the moisture-rich Antarcticine cream. So where does Antarcticine come from? Antarcticine is a glycoprotein. It was discovered at the bottom of a glacier. So way deep down in the ocean floor where it's really, really dark, really, really cold, this bacteria survives and thrives and is an energy source. It's a food source, it's its energy source, it's a glycoprotein. It has the ability to withstand very extreme cold. So it's got this ability to protect itself, that cell. So when you put it on your skin, you're going to give yourself some cold protection for your skin, which is very important. So instead of wearing a heavy barrier cream, I like to use the moisture-rich Antarcticine cream because I can go inside, outside. I don't have to worry about the temperature change. I don't have to worry about the stress on my skin when it gets very cold or I'm going into different kinds of climate. Another must-have for winter, I love our sunscreen. I know a lot of people don't like it because it has a little bit of a whitening effect, but that does disappear. But I love our sunscreen because our sunscreen is also a barrier reinforcer. It's also a moisturizer. It's also a fantastic, I think the best makeup base. And again, it is also our sunscreen. And that's going to help protect our skin against free radicals. It's going to help the skin against the sun damage and the UV and against aging. Helps with the pigmentation as well to fight off the things that cause uneven skin tone. And finally, it's little, but it's powerful and it's really good, and it's loaded with vitamins, and especially lipid-rich vitamins like vitamin E and vitamin F, and this is our lip balm. This lip balm, and you know, lip balm is really important because there's a lot of times you use products on your lips and they tend to be just the wax. And when you're just putting the wax, you're literally just putting like plastic coating on your lips. This lip balm actually contains really good oils. That's gonna help with the moisturization. It's gonna help with the plumping. It helps with the soothing. It helps with the chapped skin. And then I use it on my cuticles as well. So that's another trick for you know, fighting that dryness that occurs in the lip area, the cuticle area. That lip balm is fantastic. Hope you enjoyed a little peek into the insight of winter skincare favorites from Isomers Laboratories. As always, I look forward to your questions and comments, and have a great day, and thank you so much for tuning in.